Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have updated numbers for Windows, and this is kind of interesting. We will see that for the month of July, the Windows operating system, Windows 10 and 11, that we are particularly looking at, Windows 11 has surpassed 30%. It's almost at 31% of PCs now. And Windows 10 has dropped to 65. If we look at the different numbers, you can see that from the April peak of 69.9, Windows 10 has been dropping steadily. And same happened here with Windows 11. It actually been rising steadily, and it matches a lot the numbers. So it seems that now, rather than having more Windows 11 machines and Windows 10 kind of stagnating and staying the same, there's kind of an exchange now of Windows 10 machines being replaced by Windows 11. And it is to expect that this is going to increase in speed as we move on and we get to end of support late next year. So this is interesting numbers. Finally, I think we're seeing that there's really a change going on. Is it new PCs that are being purchased? Is it people moving from 10 to 11? Remember, we know one thing. Most people never move from one version of Windows to another. They usually get the new version when they buy a new PC. So definitely things are moving now. It'll be very interesting to see at the end of this year, where are we with Windows 10 and 11? At this rate, Windows 10 would be below 60% by December. And if it continues, it'd be below, anywhere from 40 to 50% the end of next year. And Windows 11, of course, is going to continue to grow. There's no other choice. And if more and more PCs get that pop-up that says, end of support is coming soon, and that pop-up has also another interesting effect, is that the pop-up that talks about Windows 10 end of support and that you should move on to Windows 11 does not mention anything about an extension of security updates. So Microsoft is playing on we're not going to tell you yet that you have updates for security that could be paid for 3 years, but definitely this is showing signs that Windows 11 is now starting to get a little more momentum, maybe. It's still far. I mean, we're 3 years into Windows 11 coming now. And, 3 years later, Windows 10 was much higher than Windows 11. So these are the numbers. What do you guys think? What's happening? Is Windows 11 mostly new PCs? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.